Hello friends, welcome back to the my new video guys and my YouTube channel guys. Today friend we are going to talk about guys Infinix phone setting guys, and today video title guys. You can see guys in my Infinix phone guys my screen is rotate automatic. So how can I stop this setting? Friends, you want to stop guys your auto screen settings. So how can you stop it today friends? I will show you. I will tell you guys. So before starting video friends, first of all go and subscribe the channel. So guys we will on guys our phone setting guys. First of all, after on phone setting guys, we will tap on guys phone display and brightness. Then guys you can stop this setting from your display and brightness guys. Tap here. As you can see guys your auto screen. This auto rotor screen is on right side green icon guys. Tap here to stop. After stop guys you can use guys your screen guys. Screen will not rotate automatic guys. You can check guys. You can use it. So that's it guys. Thanks for watching the video guys. I hope friends you understood how to stop auto screen in Infinix phone device. So bye bye guys. We will meet on next video. Friends, do you have any doubt related to guys your phone display and brightness setting guys? You can ask me in the comment section. I will check. I will help you. Bye guys.